Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this simple shape by using Solidworks. First of all, click on File, New, then choose Part. Click on Front Plane and click on Sketch. Choose Line and draw this shape. Like it's shown in the picture, this face. So I define the dimensions 8 mm for each in this face. And from this line to this line is 20 mm, and from this line to this line is 70 mm, and from up to down 70 mm as well, and from this line to this line is 18 mm. Now it's fully defined. Go to Future and extrude base by 38 mm. Reverse the direction and click on OK. Choose the same front plane and click on Reference Geometry and click on Plane. Flip the direction, and I want to create a plane in the middle of the shape, so 38 divided by 2, it's 19 mm. Then click OK. Now I want to create this triangle shape. After I created this plane, I click on Sketch, then Normal to, and draw this triangle shape. (15 mm) by 32 as it's shown in the picture. Now everything is defined. Now click on Future and extrude base by 10 mm, but it should be in the mid plane, in the middle, from right and left by 10 mm. Then click on OK. Now I want to create this circle shape. First of all, let's hide this plane, then click on this face and create another sketch. Normal to, draw a center line and create two circles. This is the first one, and from the same center create the second one. 28 diameter and 20 diameter, and from the center to this line is 42 mm. Now everything is defined as well. Go to Future and extrude base by 17 mm and click on OK. Now I want to create a hole in this shape. in this shape, so this circle I don't want it. So go back to the same sketch and extrude cut, selected contours, and choose the inside circle and through all and press OK. So I made a hole in this shape as well. Let's define a nice color. This is really nice. Now save your model in any direction you want and click on save. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. Thank you for watching and bye.